Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a short summary of the first chapter, class 7, recitation book English. Here students you are advised you should note down these words in your fair copy, and I will complete this short story in 2 or 3 videos. Okay? And when you will find any kinds of difficulties in clear your doubt, then you should pause your videos and you should try to clear your concept. So today we will start your short summary based on the chapter and uncomfortable bed. Your short summary, I think it will be completed in 2 or 3 videos. Okay, so let's start this summary. One afternoon, I went to spend some with some friends. Okay, I spent one afternoon. I went to spend out. Here should be out. Spend out with some friends in a chateau. Students, you should know the pronunciation of CHATEAU, chateau. Okay, you should be careful about the pronunciation of CHATEAU. Okay, so here your writer is telling us that once upon a time, I refers to your writer. Your writer went out with his friends. Where did he go? Your writer went in a chateau. Where is chateau? Chateau is in a Picardy. I have already told you in the word meaning. What is the meaning of Picardy? Picardy is a place in France. Okay. So you can say that your writer once upon a time your writer went out to spend few minutes or few time with some friends in a chateau in Picardy. My friends were fond of practical jokes. Means here your writer tells something about his friends. His friends were funny. Okay, means you can say that writer's friends were fond of practical jokes. When I arrived means when the writer arrived, when your writer arrived means he reached. When he reached Picardy, they embraced me. They embraced me means the friends of writer welcome the writer. Welcome the writer. The friends of writer welcomed him, and you can know the meaning of embraced is here cling or lap. But the meaning of chateau you can say that it's mean house or palace. Okay? Meaning of chateau is house or palace, and the meaning of embraced is cling or lap. Okay? So when your writer reached in Picardy, the writer's friend welcomed him, embraced him, they expressed a kind of affection for the writer. They expected to have great fun at my expense. When writer reached there, the writer's friend expressed a great fun. During the entire evening, here entire means throughout the evening. Throughout the evening, writer's friend, everyone refers to writer's friend, laughed in an exaggerated fashion. Means they enjoyed so much with the company of the writer. Who enjoyed so much? Writer's friend enjoyed so much with the company of the writer. I scented a practical joke in the air. Means they got a lot of joy openly. Here your writer expresses about their joy. They expresses, they compares their joy with a dog sense game. This is a kind of game, and they enjoyed so much like this game. The hour struck for retiring. Means the time is over. We are about to over, you can say. And the whole household came to escort me to my room. The whole household came to escort me to my room. Why? Here writer asks questions to all the readers. I entered means the writer entered the apartment, shut the door, and remained standing, holding the wax candle, wall candle. This is wall candle in hand. Okay. So here, guys, you should note down these words in your copy, and I will try to complete this short story in 2 or 3 videos. One, 2 or 3 videos will be uploaded in your channel. Then you should clear your concept. Okay. So today your homework is you should note down these lines, and you should try to read it again and again until you find yourself able to understand these lines meaning. Okay. I again tell you pronunciation of CHATEAU means shadow. That means house or palace. This is embrace means cling or tie. Okay, guys.